Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today's focus is to show you how you can wrap text inside of Google Sheets. In Google Sheets, wrapping text is essentially the difference between a clean, readable spreadsheet and a chaotic mess of overlapping sentences. By default, the cell will either be overflowing into the next empty cell or clipped, cut off. As you can see, these cells here are clipped because the cells next to these cells contain data. However, for example, let's go ahead and create a new sheet and jump over here and add some content. This is an example of a cell that is overflowing. If I click out of here, the content from this cell over here is overflowing into these two cells. However, if we add content into this cell, the content will be clipped, as you can see here. So now if I click on this cell here and navigate up to Format, Wrapping, and select Wrap, you can see the content now looks like this. I'll do the same with this cell, Format, Wrapping, and we can select Wrap here. Alternatively, I can click on the cell, navigate up here, and within the formatting bar, we can locate text wrapping. Then navigate down and click on this middle option, Wrap, and that content will be wrapped. And one last time, let's go ahead and copy this content and then navigate down here. And let's add this content into multiple cells. You can see all this content is overflowing into these other cells. So again, what we can do is highlight, navigate up here, and click on Wrap. And you can see all that content is wrapped. This is a lot more professional and organized, as well as visually pleasing for the user. However, that is it. That is how you can wrap content inside of Google Sheets. Now, just quickly, if you're interested in learning more about our Google Sheets CRM template, our all-in-one Google Sheets business toolkits for small businesses, then I will add relevant tutorials and resources down below in the description. These toolkits that we created for small businesses are ideal for businesses that do not have online systems in place, or they do not want to pay monthly subscriptions for online business tools. Sheetify CRM and our other business toolkits built with Google Sheets are great solutions. If you're interested in learning more, I'll add relevant tutorials and resources down below in the description. However, that is it for this tutorial, this video. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.